Hello, Namaste, Kem Chho, Sat Shri Akal. Guys, this is your friend Dr. Anshika Agarwal, and today I'll be telling you about the 6 C's of Instagram that you would probably taking notes of to outsmart the Instagram algorithm. So let's start with the video. Hey guys, let's date Instagram today and know it inside out. So are you new to Instagram and do not know how to compete for eyeballs and audience engagement? Then you are at the right place. Let me tell you the trick. So the first C is cohesive theme. As you go by the saying that the first impression is usually the last one. So as the new visitor visit your profile, the first thing they will see is the post, the feed that you have uploaded there. So make sure to make a good impression and convey your brand personality at the first glance itself. The color, the tone, the layout and the overall feeling of your Insta page will contribute to an aesthetic that can either gain you a follower or send them running away. The second C is the consumable content. The content is the king, and you must have heard this a lot. But do you know there's a reason for that? You just cannot create ordinary content and expect extraordinary engagement to win eyeballs and hearts. It's very important to create content that just do not resonate with the target audience but also address their pain points, giving them value required for their life. And जब उनको वो value feel होगी, they'll make sure they'll come back to visit your profile again, and you'll surely gain a follower. The third C here will be compelling captions. While Insta is heavy on visuals, but the 2020 characters allotted for the caption is what strikes a chord with your existing followers and the new visitors and ultimately lead to more engagement. इसलिए you need to be sure on your captions. I've made an ebook for all of you guys on Instagram Mastery. The link is given in the description box below. Do not forget to download the ebooks. Hey, if you are still not connected with me on Instagram, go and check out my Instagram profile, that is anshi.vibes, because there I'll be uploading more of the Instagram growth hacks and social media marketing tips to grow your business, product or service. So the fourth C is call to action or CTAs. As the name suggests, CTA is what grabs and compels your target audience to take action. Exactly, CTA can be anything like sign up now, call, WhatsApp number, or anything that would compel your audience to take action. Like if you have come here after watching my Instagram or IGTV video, then you would exactly know what I'm talking about, right? So moving upon to the fifth C, that is correct hashtags. We can all agree to the fact that the correct set of research hashtags can be the most important thing to be in the limelight of the new audience that can potentially translate into new engagements, new followers, new customers or new clients for your business. But आपको एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखनी है, not to use that exactly same repeated hashtags for every post of yours. So the sixth C is consistent engagement. You all would agree that there's a no bad day to engage. But one point to remember here is that being consistent does not mean you have to post daily. Most of us are doing the same mistake of putting up too much pressure on ourselves of posting just anything every day. Being consistent means कि अगर आपने सोचा है you would post twice a week or thrice a week, so be consistent in uploading that 2 times a week. But do not think that being consistent only means कि आपको रोज डेली पोस्ट करने से ही ज़्यादा engagement होंगी या आपके ज़्यादा followers बढ़ेंगे. In fact, ज़बरदस्ती डेली पोस्ट करने से हो सकता है कि आप मीनिंगलेस कंटेंट पोस्ट करना शुरू कर दे, which will not lead to your target audience or which would not lead to more engagements. I hope this video would help you to know Instagram better, and for further help you can always connect me on Instagram or my FB account. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.